Hello, honey bunnies. Welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful crafty friends, we're going to do a whole video on some things that I got at Walmart and at Target. I wanted to show you guys what I picked up. They have so many wonderful little goodies for Christmas. Oh my gosh. I mean, everywhere I went, the things that they have out for Christmas are just super adorable. So at Walmart, I picked up a few things that I'm so excited to have because we're going to work with doing some really fun projects on our Christmas series. So I'm super excited to work with these little objects that I have here. So I bought these really cute, adorable ornaments. I love, love, love these ornaments. I just absolutely adore how beautiful these are. Let me come up close. If you can see there, you get these 5 little tags, like wooden tags, and it just have like really adorable little Christmas wordings on it. And I just thought it was so cute to use as like an embellishment, or maybe like a tag, or like we could do like a nice I don't know, sign. We can do so many things with this. So I love it. I picked up 2 of these. I also picked up, which I was obsessed with, these little gorgeous little gingerbread houses. These are just so freaking adorable. Wow, I wanted to grab them all. But they are so freaking adorable. I love, love, love these houses. They look so cute. And I cannot wait to make some really fun projects with this. All right, so I got 3 of these. And then I went into the yarn section because I'm thinking in my mind of doing a really fun project with you guys. So I picked up these really like fluffy, delicious, sparkly yarns. And I picked up a white one, and I also picked up a gray one. And I just love how fluffy and how really, really sparkly these yarns are. And I purposely picked these up because they were really, really thick in the width. As you can see there, the width is like really, really, really thick. And so this is going to be perfect for what we are going to be doing soon. So this is the white one. Let me put it next to each other. This is the gray, and this is the white one. It is super soft, so fluffy. I love it. I love it. And I love the little sparkle in it. The little silver little sparkle. It's just beautiful. So I picked these up. I really am excited to start the Christmas series. And then I went ribbon crazy because I just absolutely love the ribbon that they have. First I picked up this one because I thought these were really fun, and I love the like the roughness of it, and so I thought it was really cute. I bought one of these in green at Michael's, but I really love this like beigey color. So I bought this one, and then I bought ribbon. I bought a whole bunch of ribbon because the ribbon they have are so beautiful this year. I absolutely love them. So the very first one that I fell in love with is this one right here, which is so gorgeous. It's so sparkly and just absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can tell by the camera how sparkly these are, but they are absolutely delicious. They look like candies. They look like they're dipped in like candies. I don't know. They're just so freaking gorgeous. The camera does justice on how beautiful these ribbons are. So I picked up 2 of these because I just fell in love with the actual sparkliness of it. And then I picked up 2 of these. I picked up 1 of these, which I thought it was really pretty and simple. And then I picked up this design, 2 different designs. But the design on it, I thought it was like kind of very simple and very like, just like really low tone, not too loud. And I really like that. I really did like this kind of design. So I picked up this one. You okay, baby? And then I picked up this one. All right. And then my favorite out of all Oh my God, this velvet ribbon was like calling my name. Look how gorgeous this beautiful velvet ribbon is. I love velvet ribbon. I just love it. And these are just so beautiful. I love this kind of like muted tone color. And then this one is a little bit more on the pinky side, like a peachy pinky side, which is absolutely beautiful. And what I love about these, they are actually ribbon, like ribbon that are like velvet material, which gorgeous, right? I love it. So I picked that up at Walmart, and I think that's it for Walmart. I did go to Target, and I stopped in to just, look around and see what they have. And I came across a few things that I really, really loved, and so I picked them up. So I'm going to show you right now what we got at Target. So first of all, Target brought back these really gorgeous like glass trees. They had them out last year, and I picked up a few last year, and then this year I saw them again, and I picked up these pink ones because I thought they were just so beautiful. I love the part that they're pink, and they're just gorgeous. So I picked up 4 of these really fun glass Christmas tree shape, and these were actually $3, which was not so bad. They also have different colors, and they also have different sizes. So these are just, I love them. I love that they're pink, and they just look so gorgeous, right? So pretty. All right, so I picked up these, and then I picked up 2 of these really pretty trees because they're just so gorgeous. And as you can see there, the first top of the tree is a pinky color, and then the bottom part is a white color. And I thought that contrast was just so beautiful. And so I picked up 2 of these, and these were only $1. So I was just so excited. I love them. They're just so gorgeous. And I love that two-tone look. I mean, it just looks really, really, really pretty. All right, so I picked up 2 of these. I found the letter to Santa mailbox. I was so excited to find this. I was really looking for this. I was hunting this little mailbox down. I went to like a few Targets, and I didn't really specifically go looking for it, but I hoped that if I came across it, I would get it. But I haven't come across it, and I went recently and I found one. I was so excited. So I picked it up. I love this cute little tiny mailbox. It's so cute, and it's just adorable. I love it. All right, I did that. And then the last thing that I want to show you is this really fun little storage unit that I have here that I found. I thought this was really, really cute. I love that they have like these little sections that you can add little things to it. You can put like storage or like some crafty stuff, or maybe some, I don't know, whatever it is that you want to store in here. But the front is what I love. So the front is like this, and then this one is adorable, and it's just super cute. I picked this one up, and I also picked another one, which is this white creamy one right here, which I thought it was also super adorable. And I love that it says Milk and Cookie Company. And again, it's the same concept. It has these little compartments where you can store some goodies. But I thought that it was just such a cute little box. I had to grab them. And these boxes both cost $5 each, which is not so bad. And I think that is all we have for now. I did not go crazy buying a lot of stuff because I have tons of stuff from last year, so I am not gonna like really go crazy buying some things, but I did wanted to pick up a few things here and there. I hope that you guys enjoy watching these haul videos. I hope that gives you some inspiration and give you some ideas, and this way you guys know what you can come across if you happen to stop by Michael's or Walmart or Target or Dollar Tree. And so I hope that this can give you some inspiration. All right, my loves, I will come back again with another video. We are going to start early this year, the Christmas series, because I am super excited and I cannot wait. And on my next video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about a few things that we're going to be doing different this year. So I can't wait. I can't wait. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for your wonderful comments and your wonderful, wonderful, wonderful energy. And I will see you guys soon. Bye, honey bunnies. Have a good day.